Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make hard-boiled eggs for ramen. Start with room temperature eggs, cover them with cold water, bring to a gentle boil, and simmer for 7 minutes for jammy yolks. Immediately transfer eggs to an ice bath to stop cooking and make peeling easy. Peel carefully. Marinate in soy, mirin, and rice vinegar for at least 1 hour before slicing and serving atop ramen. Choose fresh but not museum fresh eggs for easiest peeling, because slightly older eggs separate from the membrane more easily. Bring eggs to room temperature if taken from the fridge to avoid cracking when heated. Use a gentle boil and set a precise 7-minute timer for jammy yolks. Shock eggs in an ice bath for 10 minutes to halt cooking and make shells easier to remove. Pat dry before marinating or slicing. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more cooking tips. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum voice control keeps crumbs and stray noodles off your floor, so your kitchen cleanup is almost effortless. It's great for small messes after meal prep and follows voice commands for hands-free tidying. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Make a simple marinade with soy sauce, mirin, and a little sugar for balanced savory sweetness that complements broth. Add aromatics like garlic or scallion if you want extra flavor, but keep them light to avoid overpowering the egg. Submerge peeled eggs in the marinade for at least 1 hour or overnight for deeper color and flavor. Store marinated eggs in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 4 days and slice just before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.